you for joining me on today's first Tech Tuesday with Justin Gray. Today we will be covering Apple AirPod Pro 3, specifically the topic of how to do the live translation. Now, I tried researching this on YouTube to see if there was anything out there already on how to do that, and there wasn't really anything about it besides feedback or review, not anything that told you how to activate it. So let's go ahead and dive right into that, and this can be the first tutorial on how to do so. So let's go ahead and get these AirPods in here. So let's go ahead and dive into it, and let's transfer it to the phone and how to do so. Now, before you get into the live translation, you have to go into your phone settings, and then you're going to click on your AirPod Pro 3, and then scroll down pretty much to the bottom where it says languages. You're going to tap languages, and then you're going to download the languages that you want it to translate from. So in this case, I already did Spanish, Portuguese. I could also tap French if I want, or German, and it'll go ahead and download it, and then it will add it to that list up top there. I'm just going to cancel that for now. Then next, you're ready to jump into the translation app. Okay, so with the Apple AirPod Pro 3 still in my ears, that's the audio I'm using for this tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is open up the Apple Translate app that's included on your phones already. All right, so when you open the app, it looks like this, and you'll notice on the bottom right-hand corner here that it has a live with the earbuds showing. So go ahead and click on that. And then you will see live translation here, and then you'll see at the bottom start translation. First, you want to pick what the opposing language is with the person that you're speaking with. So let's say they speak Spanish, you'll select Spanish in your language. So if your language is English, for example, as mine here, I selected English, okay? And then what you'll do next is you can hit start translation, or you can press down simultaneously on both stems. It's going to say speaking live translation, and that's what it says inside the earbuds. And it says in Spanish. So as I'm talking right now, it's translating on the phone in Spanish. Now what you can also do is you can turn your phone to sideways if you like, any way you like, in order for them to read it from your phone. You can also press the play button on the side of each translation for them to hear it audibly. Okay, I'm going to stop it right here, and it's as simple as that. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button. That's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you for joining me on Tech Tuesday with Justin Gray. Hopefully you get to enjoy your Apple AirPod Pro 3 live translation feature. See you on the next Tech Tuesday.